Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to repair a digital climate control on a Buick Century. So I've been looking online because I've been having problems with this guy. I've already taken it apart and everything worked except the display. And I found out on some forums that it's a common issue between the Centuries and the Regals, and I thought, let me take a look inside and see what's going on. So it's very easy to take apart. I have another video of me removing the instrument cluster in the car to fix the odometer and gear select, and in that video it will show you how to get all the dash panels apart. Very straightforward and simple. So with this guy, it is let me grab the tool right here. It is a 3/16 socket. I'm using quarter drive bit. That's all you're going to need, and there's 8 screws to take apart from the casing. So when you have it together, here's the back of it. When you look at the back, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you get those apart, you have to be very gentle with this guy, for the most part. There are 4 more on the inside, so I've already disconnected it. This part plugs into there. Sorry about that. But on the back part, this is the bit that's going to be facing downwards. You're going to have 2 screws here and 2 screws on the back side that will need to be removed. And you slowly pry up on it. Make sure you don't bend any of these prongs. And then once you got the 2 halves together out, you can unplug this guy from the back of this. Now where your issue is going to lie, and it took me a little while to figure this out, are these, pretty sure these are resistors right here. See the ones that say 241, and they are cold soldered. So I resoldered all the ends of them, and that fixed my problem. And what my problem was, everything worked except the display, but if you tap on it real hard, it'll come on but then dim away. So if you have a very dim display, or your display doesn't work, but the actual system itself is still working, you can turn the heater on, adjust the fan, whatever you need to do, this is where your issue is. So these 8 guys right here, those need to be resoldered on both ends. And here it is installed. Haven't screwed it down yet because I haven't tested it yet, but it's all back together. So let me fire up the car, see what happens. And the display now works. Make sure the buttons all work. Make sure the temperature. Dual. Awesome. This has now been repaired.